Today I have started solving the extended paper for IGCSE Mathematics, and that paper is paper 21, May-June 2023, in which I am going to give the concepts as well. It is a 70 marks paper. It contains 21 questions, and the time allowed is 1 hour and 30 minutes. In question 1, they have given a geometrical figure, a trapezium, and in it they have given the three interior angles of A, B, C, D, and they have asked one of the exterior angles from the students that they have to work it out. Now, in the figure, angle ADE is to be calculated, and you must remember that angle ADE and angle ADC are going to add up to 180 degrees. Then if we look at the inside of the figure, sum of all four angles will be equal to 360 degree. Any closed figure, any closed geometrical figure, their interior angle sum will always be 360 degree. So first of all, we work out angle ADC. So angle ADC plus the other three angles which are given, when they are added, will be equal to 360 degrees. So angle ADC plus 71 plus 104 plus 156 will be equal to 360 degree, and angle ADC will be equal to 360 minus 71 minus 104 minus 156, or if they are taken in bracket, then 360 minus bracket 71 plus 104 plus 56 bracket close. So angle ADC works out to be 129 degree. We are asked to calculate angle ADE. So angle ADE will be 180 minus 129, which is equal to 51 degrees. Write down the answer in the given space and we score 2 marks. Going to question number 2. A train journey starts at 21:43 hours. It takes 8 hours and 32 minutes. Find the time the journey finishes. In this type of question, first of all, work on the minutes. The journey starts at 21:43 minutes and the journey takes 8 hours and 32 minutes. So we add 32 minutes in 43 minutes of the start time, which works out to be a total of 21 hour and 75 minutes. Now 75 minutes will be broken up into hour and minute, which works out to be 1 hour and 15 minutes. This 1 hour is going to be added to 21, which is going to work out as 22 hours, and the 15 minutes will be written with it. So we have gone on to 22 hours and 15 minutes. Then we add the 8 hours of the journey time in the hours. So that works out to be 30 hours and 15 minutes. Now a day is a total of 24 hours. So we subtract 24 hours from 30 and we are left with 6 hours. That means that we have gone on to the next day, and the next day it will be early morning, 6 hours and 15 minutes. So the answer is either 6 hours and 15 minutes, or we write down 0615 hours next morning and score the 1 mark. Calculation is for those students who are struggling with the working of time. Then we go on to next page and question number 3. 2 parallel lines are given which are being intersected by another line, and we are asked to work out the unknown. In this, an angle is given as 58 degrees and the angle A and angle B are to be worked out. Angle A is vertically opposite to the 58 degrees, so the answer of A will be 58 degrees and geometrical reason will be vertically opposite angle. Angle B is the interior angle with angle A. So sum of two interior angles is always equal to 180 degrees. So we write down A plus B is equal to 180 degree. Now we know that A is equal to 58 degrees. So B will be equal to 180 minus 58, which is written in green color, and works out to be 122 degrees. So we write down B equal to 122 degrees, and interior angle is a reason, geometrical reason. So we score 4 marks for this question. Question 4, 5 and 6. They have been solved by me in question paper 11 of the same year. Link is given. You can go back to that link and see the solution. Going to question number 7. The scale of a map is given as 1:125,000. It has been asked that if the length of an island on the map is 9.4 centimeter, then what would be the actual length of the island on the ground? And we are supposed to convert that actual length in kilometers. So we work out, first of all, by ratio proportion or just multiplying 125 with 9.4 centimeter, because the map is smaller than the ground or actual length. So we multiply 9.4 with 125,000 and we get 1175,000 centimeter, and divide by 1000 centimeter converted into kilometers. So we get an answer of 1175 kilometer. Write down the answer and score your marks. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. The further questions of this question paper are going to be in the next lecture. Thank you.